everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your LinkedIn profile link or URL. First, go to your LinkedIn website, then log into your account. In the top menu, click on Me, means your profile picture. Then from the drop down, click View Profile. Now look at the address bar or URL in your browser and you will see something like this. And this is your LinkedIn profile. You can copy it and share it with your friends. But if you're on your mobile, all you have to do is open your LinkedIn app, then tap your profile picture in the top left, or you can tap your view profile. Then on your profile page, tap this three dot next to your name. Now select contact info and look under the section called your profile. And you will see your LinkedIn URL. All you have to do is tap and copy it to share. Bonus: if you want to customize a URL, you can do it. You can change your profile URL to make it shorter and cleaner. All you have to do on desktop, go to your profile page and on the right side, click Edit Public Profile and URL. And on the new page, look for Edit Your Custom URL. Then click this pencil icon, then type your new URL that you want and then click Save. That's it. It was super easy. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next video.